Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to increase your snap score. Maybe you saw a lot of videos where people show you that you have to use multi-snap, but that feature is not available anymore. So today I will show you something completely different. Alright, keep in mind, first of all, it's important to add as many friends as possible. Because if you want to earn some points, people need to watch our story. So first now we want to make a picture, send to, and then place it just in my story for friends only and then do send. That is the first way how people can check your story and then you will earn points. So place as many pictures in your story that is possible. I think it's around 100 pictures. The other way is go to chat, refresh your chats, then tap on new, then do new shortcut, then select all your friends in your list, or please select the maximum that is possible, create shortcut. Oh, sorry, we want to add a shortcut just right there, maybe a hand, create shortcut, and now we just created a shortcut. Then go to your photo camera, then make a picture, then send to, tap on the shortcut, select and send this picture to all your shortcuts contacts. Alright, please make as many shortcuts as possible and do this as many times that you can do it. Because by doing this method, your score will increase. Alright, if you find this helpful, please smash a like, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.